This is project on capacitive touch sensor controlled melody and LED system using Arduino Uno board. In this project I have used LED, buzzer, Arduino Uno board and capacitive touch sensor. In this project, capacitive touch sensor is used to detect touch event which will trigger the action on Arduino Uno board. When the user touches the sensor, the sensor sends the interrupt signal to the signal through IRQ pin to the Arduino Uno board, and the touch event activates the connected components like buzzer and LED, and the buzzer plays two melodies in sequence, and LED also lights up to indicate the touch. The touch sensor works by detecting change in capacitance when finger or object comes in contact with the sensor surface. Connection is very simple. Pin number 1 is connected to 3.3 pin of Arduino Uno board. Pin number 2 is connected to ground pin of Arduino Uno board, and pin number 4 is connected to pin number 2 of Arduino Uno board, and LED positive is connected to pin number 4, and buzzer is connected to pin number 3. Buzzer is connected to pin number 3, LED is connected to pin number 4, and IRQ, that is pin number 4 of touch sensor, is connected to pin number 2. Only this much is the connection. When I place my finger on the touch sensor, so when I touch the sensor, it is giving two melodies in sequence in ascending and descending order. Again I'll touch. This is capacitive touch sensor controlled melody and LED system using Arduino. In this project, I have used capacitive touch sensor. This is the image of a capacitive touch sensor. Capacitive touch sensor is commonly used in smartphones, tablets, modern appliances for touch interfaces. In this project, I have used buzzer and LED. Whenever we touch this metal capacitive touch sensor, the buzzer and LED will turn on, and it has got 3.3 volts pin, IRQ, SCL, SDA, ADD, and ground pin. Yeah, so I'm using only 3 pins: 3.3 volts pin, IRQ pin, and ground pin. 3.3 volts pin is nothing but pin number 1 on this side. IRQ pin is pin number 4 on this side, and ground is pin number 2 on this side. Ground of this is connected to ground of Arduino Uno board, 3.3 to 3.3 volts pin, IRQ to pin number 2, and buzzer to pin number 3, and LED anode is connected to pin number 4, and cathode to ground, and buzzer negative to ground. This is the connection. And here, since I am connecting touch pin to pin number 2 of Arduino Uno board, that is green pin, and I am declaring it as 2, buzzer to 3, and LED to 4. And here I am giving melody 1 and melody 2 because I am generating two tone here. In melody 1, the frequency I am using from 260 to 523 in ascending, and from 494 to C262 in descending order. And the duration of each beat will be duration of each note plays for 1 beat. So I'm giving the duration as 4. So I'll tell you what is this. Here the melody array contains the frequency values which represents the musical notes in hertz, and each frequencies correspond to one musical note. C4 262 hertz, D4 294 hertz, E4 330 hertz, and so on. This is in ascending order, and the note duration array is the note duration array specify how long each note in melody array should be played, and the duration is defined as the fraction of the whole note. So in this way, we are using the frequency for a tone, and for melody 2, in first descending order, then ascending order. For melody 1, first ascending order and then descending order. So this modification, you can do the modification in ascending and descending and in this frequency to generate the different tones. Okay, then here when a touch is detected, it gives the output low, then the LED pin goes high and it generates the two melody music, and otherwise the LED becomes low. So now I'll copy this entire code from here to here. Here to here, and I'll go to the Arduino IDE software, and here I'll paste it. So I have already pasted it. Now I'll select the port. My Arduino is connected to COM3, and select the board, Arduino Uno board. So then click on hit button. So I'll click on hit button. So after it takes a few seconds to compile and then upload. So done compiling, then uploading is going on and uploading is also done. Now I'll check in the hardware. When I touch the capacitive touch sensor, it should give two melody and music.